Welcome to Hot Off the Wheels and what was supposed to be M2 Monday. Even better, it's now Tuesday, almost going into Wednesday, but it's still all good. I never got around to posting it last night, shame on me, but definitely still enjoyed it, and hopefully you'll still enjoy these castings, as most of these are M2 machines. Some of these are AutoWorlds or a Greenlight, like this Rontron Surf Shop that I had shipped to the house. Most of these are in-store finds, with the exception of like the Rontron Surf Shop, and I believe maybe the square body I had shipped to the house. But most of them, like 90% of them, I did find in store. And if you're not sure, definitely drop a comment. I'm glad to tell you if I found it in store or not. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. Leave me a comment if you want to see any of these cracked open and thrown on the turntable, and I'll definitely do a showcase video of that. I just want to keep the video relatively short for today, so I won't be opening up any on the channel. But hopefully you're all having great success with your own diecast and pack hunts and collections. I haven't found a whole lot on the Hot Wheels spectrum. It's pretty dry near me. I've even gone almost out of state just to try to find Hot Wheels, and I also have a few recent Walmart K-Case drops. I have not found anything. I am dying to get my hands on some M-Case, so hopefully I'll find them soon, and I'll definitely bring you on that journey with me. But thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and wish you all the best. Well, that's about wraps up this video. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Would encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already. But definitely stay tuned to the channel. I've got some Hot Wheel premium set. I will be showcasing, unboxing everything on the channel here shortly. So definitely stay tuned. And until next time, guys, wish you all the best on your own collection. Let me know how it's going, what you're finding, what you're looking for. Until next time, guys, take care.